On today's menu, an all-time favorite, Vietnamese fresh rolls. This is one of my favorite recipes of all time, and it seems like it has a lot of ingredients involved, but it's all about time management. Always start with the ingredient that takes the most time to cook. In this case, the tofu. And we want the tofu a little bit crispy, so you always have to remember to drain it off with a paper towel. Preheat your oven to 375. Slice. Baking pan, parchment paper. This is a really simple way of cooking the tofu. There's no need to put oil or anything like that. Salt and pepper. Into the oven for 25 to 30 minutes. Bring a pot of water to boil. Fill your sink with cold water. Lettuce. This is a salad spinner. And literally all that water gets drained out. Mint. This recipe does require a little bit of labor, but I always like to think of it as the more you take care of your food, the more your food will take care of you. This is Thai basil. Extremely aromatic. It's not the same thing as Italian basil, Thai basil. Once your water is boiled, set it aside. Let your mung bean or vermicelli noodles sit in the hot water for 3 to 5 minutes. Cilantro. Washing herbs this way is the easiest because the herbs will float on top and the sand will sink to the bottom. When your noodles are done, run it through cold water to stop it from cooking. Cucumber. This is absolutely amazing. Crispy tofu. All I had to do was put it in the oven. This is rice paper. The only thing you have to do is soak it in water. So just slide your rice paper into a plate of water. Just let it soak for literally about 30 to 40 seconds. Now this part is a little bit time sensitive. So take your tofu, get your cucumber, lettuce, basil, to be generous with the herbs, mint, cilantro, and of course mung bean noodles. To roll, take this end and just push everything back. Roll once, flip in the sides, and just push back and roll again. And that is the perfect fresh roll. Same thing again, tofu, cucumber, mung bean noodles, and amazing Thai basil, some fresh mint, cilantro, and lettuce. And just tuck in, roll once, tuck in the sides, and roll. Now you spent all that time making those rolls. We're gonna make two extremely easy peanut sauce and spicy soy sauce. Peanut butter, coconut or almond milk, tamari or soy sauce. Blend. So simple, and you have this amazing creamy peanut sauce. Green onion, cilantro, chilli, toasted sesame oil, tamari or soy sauce, There is so much flavor packed in there. It is just incredible. An incredibly flavorful dish you can make anytime.